On 7th of August 2020, retired Group Captain Christopher tweeted, "He was topper of our course, stood first and won the prestigious Sword of Honor on 11 June 1981. May his soul rest in peace." After that, IAFS officer Parveen Kaswan tweeted, "Respect, sir. You did your best. Before joining civil aviation, you were decorated Indian Air Force pilot, Captain Wing Commander D.V. Sathe." And after this, whole Twitter was flooded with all the tweets about D.V. Sathe. And hashtag RIP Sir was trending. Who was D.V. Sathe? Why everybody was concerned about Captain Deepak Vasant Sathe? Captain Deepak Vasant Sathe, a real diamond, one of the best pilots from India. If I start counting all the achievements of Captain Deepak Vasant Sathe, then it might take more than 2 hours.
बचपन से हर एक चीज़ में टॉप, 8 ही प्राइजेस सगळे, टेबल टेनिस, स्क्वॉश, रायडिंग, घोडसवारी में सबसे टॉप. छोटासा था. रायडिंगमध्ये घोड्याच्या ह्याच्यात उंटाची स्वारी केली. काय त्यांनी जीवनात काय केलं नाही ते मला सांगा. सब चीज अब बोला नहीं जाता मेरे से बस.
How can a single person achieve so many things in single life and remain so down to earth? We lost Captain Deepak Vasant Sathe in recent aircraft crash on 7th of August 2020 while he was flying back from Dubai to India. This aircraft crash was so severe that it was broken into 2 pieces. If you want to know more about this aircraft crash, then you can click on the I button above and watch detailed video in Hindi. In this video, we are going to discuss about Captain Deepak Vasant Sathe and Captain Akhilesh Kumar, who were pilots of this aircraft. Captain Deepak Vasant Sathe was born on 24th April 1961. He was son of retired Brigadier Vasant Sathe and brother of Shahid from Kargil. He was extremely experienced pilot with 10,000 plus hours of experience in flying. He graduated from 58th batch of National Defence Academy with gold medal. He was youngest of his batch. He completed course in 127th batch of Air Force Academy with Nizam's Sword of Honor, which was very rare. He bagged all 8 prizes while graduated from Air Force Academy. He was first student from Maharashtra who achieved this. Captain D.V. Sathe joined Air Force on 11 June 1981. He served in Indian Air Force for 22 years and retired as a wing commander on 30th June 2003. He worked as a test pilot for MiG-21 Air Force plane. He was part of Golden Arrow 17 Squadron, which is currently taking care of Rafale. He served as a test pilot in Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. And he was also part of flying formation of Mission Vijay during Kargil conflict in 1999. Captain Sathe survived crash in early 90s when he was working in Indian Air Force. He suffered from multiple skull injuries and was hospitalized for 6 months. Nobody thought he would fly again, but his strong willpower and love for flying made him clear the test again and join back Indian Air Force. He joined Air India after retirement from Indian Air Force. He was experienced in Airbus 310 and Boeing 737. Captain Sathe landed 27 times on Calicut Tabletop Airport, which is extremely difficult. He was decorated pilot for Air India. On 7th August 2020, landing was extremely difficult. There was absolutely no visibility and heavy rainfall. In addition to that, landing gears failed. Based on huge experience, Captain Sathe burned fuel by cycling around the airport in order to avoid fire. Bailey landed on third iteration, used all his experience to save maximum lives while sacrificing himself. He was survived by wife, 2 sons and parents. Sad thing is, Captain Deepak Vasant Sathe was planning to pay surprise visit on his mother's birthday. Now, let's talk about another pilot, Captain Akhilesh Kumar. He was first officer of Air India Express and he joined in 2017. He was working on Vande Bharat mission since May 2020. Akhilesh Kumar was native from Mathura from Uttar Pradesh. Sad thing is, he is survived by his wife Megha, who is pregnant and expected to deliver baby in 15 days. Also survived by 2 younger brother, sister and his parents. A big salute to Captain Deepak Vasant Sathe and First Officer Akhilesh Kumar for saving so many lives and risking their own. Deep condolences to their families. Jai Hind.